Hello, I'm Patrick Hamilton, and today I'm just going to be showing you how to get to Inventor from VXelements VR model. So, what we got to do is go to VXmodel. I just found a good one, which I believe is the motor cover merge. So, you've got to have a license to have VXmodel, so this will be for the people who have that license, but it's pretty easy. So once you have done your scan, you've fixed up the holes and made it look pretty good, you might have something like this. Now, there are entities that you could create in here, such as these, which would allow you to work on different sections that you want to, but then you simply just go up here to the button and click transfer into Inventor, which will bring in a mesh. So yeah, that's how that works. If you want to bring in those other entities, I'll have to do some more videos on that, but that's just a quick summary on how to get from VXmodel into Inventor. So this has come in as a mesh. Yeah. So I think we can go to view and ensure that it is a realistic view. Yeah. And what else? Just to show you it's real, we will tools, measure, from there to there. Yeah, it's 46.85 mils, which is accurate to what the actual piece is. All right. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.